Well, isn't it obvious? Well, isn't it obvious?
Derek, you have made my life better and brighter. You've helped me grow, challenged me to push myself even when I complain about it. You're patient when I'm being stubborn. With you, I've learned how to love deeply, trust blindly, forgive fully, and be vulnerable.
Madison, my love, through all of our adventures and endless horizons, I stand here with you, my partner in conquering every challenge that life has thrown our way. From the sandy shores of Mexico to the unfamiliar streets and towns no one has ever heard of in Minnesota. Our love for one another has been the anchor that guides us through every storm. Our passion for travel and our unwavering love for the ocean have been the sanctuary in times of adversity. Just as the waves shaped the shoreline, our experiences have shaped us to the couple we are today. Our differences have only enriched our journey, teaching us the value of compromise and the beauty of finding strength in each other. Our stubbornness is not a barrier, but a source of strength. A reminder that we're both strong-willed souls who choose each other day after
day. You've taught me so much about myself, about life, and about partnership. My vow to you is to always continue learning and improving on being your partner, to make you feel respected, appreciated, and valued. And I vow, you make me feel that way, and I vow to make you feel the same. I vow to bend instead of snap, and hold you here when I'm angry. I vow to be present for the hard moments and conversations and not run away from them.
So here's to us, the couple who knows that challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to a stronger love with you. My love, every storm is weathered, every challenge is conquered, and every moment with you is a victory. As we pledge our love today, I promise to be your rock in times of struggle, your refuge in the times of challenges, and your partner to overcome any obstacle. I vow to face every adversity with you, hand in hand, knowing that together we are unstoppable.
I vow to ask for what I need and not make you guess. I vow to say sorry, not only when I should, but also when you need me to. And I vow to never stop laughing and playing and discovering this world with you.
I can't wait to continue our journey, turning every opportunity into an adventure.